Ever since those grainy, choppy video calls of the early 2000s, we've come a long way. Crystal clear video, seamless screen sharing, and features that make remote work a breeze. It's a whole new ballgame. But here's the question. Can you get all this for free? Today, we're diving deep into RingCentral, a popular video conferencing platform. With so many options out there, is RingCentral the free hero you've been searching for? Or is there a hidden catch? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the free tier of RingCentral Video, its limitations, and whether it might be the perfect fit for your needs. Ringing in the free features. Let's start with the good news. Yes, RingCentral offers a completely free plan called RingCentral Video Pro. This plan throws open the doors to unlimited video meetings. That's right, you can host and join as many calls as you want, as long as you want. No more scrambling to squeeze your meeting into a limited time frame. On top of that, you get some pretty impressive features for a free plan. You can host meetings with up to 100 participants, which is more than enough for most team huddles or brainstorming sessions. Screen sharing is included, so you can share presentations, documents, or even your entire desktop with ease. Beyond the basics, where free meets limits. Now, here's where things get interesting. While the core functionality is there, the free tier does have its limitations. For instance, recording meetings is a no-go on the free plan. This can be a deal breaker if you need to capture important discussions for future reference. Another thing to keep in mind is meeting duration. While meetings are unlimited in number, each individual call can only last for up to 40 minutes. This might not be an issue for quick check-ins, but for longer discussions or presentations, it could mean juggling multiple calls to stay connected. There are also limitations on features like dial-in numbers and custom greetings. On the free plan, you'll be using a system-generated meeting link, which might not be ideal for a professional setting. Free but not fancy. Upgrading your RingCentral experience. If the limitations of the free plan are starting to feel a little cramped, fear not. RingCentral offers paid tiers that unlock a whole new level of functionality. RingCentral Video Pro Plus adds features like meeting recording, dial-in numbers, and increased meeting durations. There's also RingCentral MVP, Meeting Place Video, which offers even more advanced features for larger organizations, including custom branding and analytics. The free versus paid face-off. Who wins? So, who is the free tier of RingCentral Video Pro for? It's perfect for casual users who need a simple solution for occasional video calls with small groups, students working on group projects, friends catching up virtually, or even small businesses with limited needs. The free plan can be a great way to experience RingCentral's core functionality without breaking the bank. However, if you need to record meetings, have larger teams, or require features like dial-in numbers and custom greetings, then upgrading to a paid plan becomes a wise investment. The added features can significantly improve your video conferencing experience and make remote collaboration a breeze. Ultimately, the decision of whether to go free or paid depends on your specific needs. RingCentral's free tier is a great starting point, offering a taste of what the platform can do. But for those who need a more robust video conferencing solution, the paid plans offer the features and flexibility to take your online collaboration to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.